Grizzly Industrial is turning 40 years old this year, and we are celebrating with a new line of limited edition machines. This is the Grizzly 10-inch open stand hybrid table saw, 40th anniversary edition. Perfect for small shops and hobbyists, this hybrid saw bridges the gap between smaller contractor saws and full-size cabinet saws. It weighs less than 300 pounds and comes with a built-in mobile base, making it perfect for smaller shops where you need to move your machines around to save space. When it comes to performance, this lightweight table saw is a heavy hitter. With a 30-inch rip width and 3 1/4 inch depth of cut, you'll get the same cutting capacity of some larger professional saws for half the price. The main table is precision ground cast iron for flatness and stability, and features a beveled front edge for smooth board feeding. The powder-coated steel table extensions help keep the weight down while giving you plenty of support for your workpieces. With a long fence rail for wide rip cuts, the fence adjusts smoothly, maintains excellent parallelism with the blade, and features an easy-to-read scale indicator. It also has built-in T-slots for attaching anti-kickback devices like featherboards. This saw runs on a powerful 2-horsepower dual-voltage 110 and 220-volt single-phase motor for plowing through thick materials without bogging down. The open steel stand reduces weight, and the upper portion of the cabinet is fully enclosed with a downward-facing 4-inch dust port for efficient dust collection. Exclusive to this limited edition table saw is the brand new, eye-catching green and black design with 40th anniversary badge that will make it a striking focal point of your woodshop. It comes with a 10-inch 40-tooth carbide tipped blade, table inserts for both standard cuts and dados, a high-quality miter gauge, safety push stick, and arbor wrenches for blade changes. All for a price the competition wishes they never saw. Here's to 40 more. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.